So this is our routine every morning. I mean, we would set up for a feast for breakfast and lunch. So yeah, we do this every morning. We'll prepare some fresh food every day. Home cooked meal. Nothing better than that. I'm going to Chowking or going to Jollibee or something like that. But yeah, look at all the fresh fish. I love going to this kind of market every morning. It's like my exercise. Look at that. Look at all the tuna. I love it. Yeah, it's really cool. So basically, this is what I rented. The name of the place is Casa, Herminia. As you can see, the swimming pool is still under construction. And it's a second floor. We rented the one downstairs. And it comes with a bahay kubo where you can just chill out, you know, bring some friends over, have some little drinks and all. As you can see, as I walk here, here's the back. You can see the mountains, rice field and all. Yeah, this place is really quiet. Well worth it, guys, well worth it. So this is how the inside look. You have the kitchen. You have everything fully equipped, ready to cook. Feeling like home. Feeling like home. Nice and clean. Nice, good space. Get a couch. You know, it's just perfect. This is the executive room. Yeah.
Ito pa naman ito. Ano po yung isda na to?
Dorado po, sir.
Blue crab. Wow. Bukas lempon.
Ikaw gusto mo?
Ano yan?
Masarap yan, skinless.
Skinless? Sige. Bili mo na? Bili mo na? Okay na? Oh, this one, oxtail. Wow. Sarap, sarap.
Baka boss.
Baka bukas lang.
Pagtatabi na po bukas.
May party na eh.
280 lang yung mga.
Mas. Lumpia. Niluto si Mas. As you can see, we have a guard dog here too. I think one is a German Shepherd. Yeah, they're both German Shepherd.
Hey there, buddy.
Yeah, I feel like a rock star over here.
Good boy.
Just living in this area. Think about guard dog. Alright guys, as I'm walking in the front, this is another bahay kubo. It comes with 2 bunk bed and a little place to hang out right there. It's still under construction. So yeah, they rent this out too. Pretty soon it'll be done. So this is the front side. of the hotel. You can rent out a one bedroom too if you want. I mean, you know, if you can't afford the executive, there's also one bedroom. And yeah, this place is fully gated. You know, you got a guard dog. I mean, you live like a rock star. It's well worth it, guys. I will leave the link below in the description, alright, guys?
Ay, man.
Ang berry, So Mahal is cooking kare-kare. And she can cook everything. She took care of me. I love her. She took care of me. Alright, now I'm gonna take a walk to the back. We're gonna go up to the second floor and just check out the view upstairs. There's a place rent up there too. There's a room upstairs, I think executive room too. So as you walk up, you see the mountains already. Look at that, how beautiful that is. The rice field, and you have a little space right here where people can just hang out, you know, just chill at night, have a couple of drinks. You know what I'm saying? Look how beautiful that place right there. Look at that, so relaxing. So lucky that I rented this place.
There's a band going on already. Let's go here. Buko juice.
Ate, oh.
Ingat, tol. Ingat ka din. Safe, oh. Alam mo lang tayo, mabait tayo. Oh.
Tatlo lang nito. Nakatatlo lang ito.
Dito na naman. Para mawakan.
You get a video of the barbecue.
Sampo lang, kuya.
matching.
I can see you best together. Mamasan.
Bye kubo.
Bossing.
Soldier. Mal.
Umana itong makalaro kasi para yung amoy niya, yung aroma lang niya pumunta doon.
Okay, kanin static good enough. Good job. Look at our breakfast. Tinapa, shrimp, langganisa, fried eggplant. Good job, Mal. Oh, meron pang kape. May kape pa. Wow. Off to the palengke. Beautiful day in PH. Beautiful day. Time to get wrecked tonight. I'm feeling it. Sarap pusit.
Dalawa na. Pakalagyan natin ng konti. Ayan ito.
Yes, sir. Papaingan.
Ha?
Ayan. Lutong ng pinapaitan si Mahal. Wow. Cowgirl siya. Cowgirl. Pinapaitan. Siya magluto, hindi ako. Ang lambot na.
Oo nga, sakto lang yan.
Alright. Nakapsa. Peace. Yan po, ihaw ulit kami. Idun tito. Kakay na. Oh, wow. Wow. Ayos. Good job, Tito. How's the heat? Pretty good? Mainit? sakto lang.
Tama lang yung...
Yeah, tama. Yeah. Nice. Thanks to Tito. Check it out, guys. Fresh harvest shrimp from Tatay, Jennifer's dad. Can you move it around? Fresh shrimp. Wow. That's awesome. Still alive, huh? Wow. Luto ni Mahal. Fried shrimp, salty eggs for breakfast. Oh my goodness. Ang sarap. Thanks, Mahal. Wow. Alright, going for a stroll. Cloudy day. Cloudy day. Going out for a stroll. Yes. Hope it doesn't rain. Peace. Hey, video. Tricycle. We're leaving the terminal. We are out of here. We are out of here. Got some buko juice. I'm ready to go. Got some buko juice. Peace out.
Ilan mahal?
Just one.
Dalawa.
Isang turon. Baler Terminal. Ito na kami sa bus. Smiley.
Bye-bye, Baler.
Bye-bye,
Hello,
Baler.
Lawak.
Coming back, Lawak. Pangasinan. We out of here. Till next time. Peace.
Ano boss?
Magkano ang isa nito, kuya?
3 ay 5.
5 isang ganito.